We have gathered reviews from all over the internet to provide you with a comprehensive expert overview of the 33,000 feet men's puffer jacket, a lightweight, packable winter jacket designed for men. This jacket has gained popularity for its balance of warmth, lightness, and affordability, making it a strong contender in the men's winter outerwear category. If you own this jacket, please consider leaving your own review in the comments to help others make informed decisions. The link to the product is in the description, and using it supports this channel. Starting with the jacket's primary appeal, it is exceptionally lightweight, yet warm enough to handle sub-zero temperatures when layered properly. Many users, including myself, have found that wearing a t-shirt and a flannel shirt underneath the jacket provides sufficient insulation down to about 0 degrees Fahrenheit. This layering approach means the jacket itself performs well without requiring multiple bulky layers, which is a significant advantage for those who value mobility and comfort in cold weather. The fit of the jacket has been praised widely. For example, a user standing 6 feet tall and weighing 200 pounds, who usually wears an XL shirt, found that ordering a large based on Amazon recommendations resulted in a perfect fit. The jacket is neither restrictive nor oversized, offering a comfortable range of motion without feeling baggy or tight. This makes it suitable for everyday wear as well as outdoor activities where freedom of movement is important. One of the standout features is the jacket's thin nylon outer material, which contributes to its lightness and packability. However, this thinness does come with a minor trade-off. Some users have reported that the nylon can occasionally get caught in the zippers, including the front zipper and the zippers on the 4 pockets. Despite this, the material is resilient and easy to gently pull free from the zipper without causing tears, even after many such incidents. This durability is reassuring for those who tend to snag or stress their outerwear. In terms of warmth, the jacket performs admirably given its weight. It is not designed to be a heavy-duty parka, but rather a versatile piece that balances warmth and lightness. On cold days, layering is recommended to maximize comfort. The jacket's insulation keeps you warm without overheating, which is ideal for fluctuating winter temperatures or active use. Comfort is another key aspect. The jacket is described as very comfortable, with a fit that accommodates layering without feeling bulky. This makes it a practical choice for daily commutes, outdoor errands, or winter sports where you want to stay warm but not weighed down. The style and appearance of the jacket have also received positive remarks. It is considered good-looking and modern, which adds to its appeal for men who want functional outerwear that also looks stylish. The jacket's design is straightforward yet effective, suitable for a variety of casual and outdoor settings. Price-wise, the 33,000 feet men's puffer jacket offers excellent value. It is affordable compared to many other winter jackets in the market, especially those with similar warmth and packability features. This makes it an attractive option for budget-conscious buyers who do not want to compromise on quality or performance. The jacket's packability is a notable feature. It can be compressed into a small size for easy storage or travel, which is a significant benefit for those who need a winter jacket that won't take up much space in a bag or suitcase. This makes it ideal for travelers or anyone with limited closet space. Overall, the 33,000 feet men's puffer jacket stands out as a lightweight, warm and comfortable winter jacket that fits well and looks good. It is especially suited for men who want a practical jacket for cold weather without the bulk or high price of heavier coats. The minor issue with zippers catching on the thin nylon does not detract significantly from the overall positive experience. In conclusion, this jacket is highly recommended for those seeking a reliable winter jacket that balances warmth, weight, and style at a great price point. It performs well in cold conditions when layered appropriately and offers a comfortable fit for a variety of body types. If you have this jacket, sharing your experience in the comments will help others make better purchasing decisions. Remember, the product link is in the description to support the channel and help you find this jacket easily.